What do they do? When I just make come make this semo just like you make am. Semo wey that be like you wan come eat. When I say come make semo, na too do for that yesterday. Cook rice yesterday, say no na me cook am. I let you chop for the rice yesterday.
Make you let me eat.
What I go to one, you make why you not make why semo? Why not make the semo?
Abeg let me eat. Abeg I no fit follow you talk.
Say me I let you eat.
Why I no go eat?
But come make am. You say you no go make. You say na me go make the semo. Cook rice yesterday, na me cook and na you chop. Na me go dey cook for you for this house.
Okay. This one now, you know, say since 20 years ago when you marry me, now only me na you cook. So as e be now, for this period, this month na February, I tell you say throughout this February, to me I don't want cook. At least make you dey cook. You go cook. Make you know say cooking now is.
Then me cook, you go call it abi.
Okay, wetin be the cooking now when you cook now? The semo when you talk.
Na me talk semo, say no.
As me I talk semo, I say no. This soup because na you make am. Na you cook this.
What are the money? Na your money I dey cook am.
If I don't use my money cook am, you go put money for fire cook am. No dey misbehave. No dey misbehave. You because say you make semo, na me say me no go eat.
Because my children don dey house, so make you be careful.
If they no come dey house, because now if they no dey house, no be you suppose to even respect yourself. Like me, I eat job. You no see what make I eat. See this meat oh. Why you go take am from my hand? Why you dey do like this? Suppose to treat me like the queen when I be. Me just put the soup. Now when you just enter my soup, you just carry my soup anyhow. You carry my soup anyhow.
Serve yourself, make serve my girl.
Serve yourself. Now you want empty the pot of soup. Make I follow you eat. Now you just dey do like this. If people see you for outside, they say you be gentleman. You not gentle anything. You not gentle anything. Make I eat semo. See wetin you dey take my eye dey see on top of food.
Now you just do for food.
Okay.
Na food.
May I take this meat? I be happy. I see this one. Hey. What did happen, man? They eat. You know wetin? Me I dey wait for you. I get where I for dey wait for you.
Me wan make job before.
I go catch you. I get where I for dey wait for you now. You go soon dey beg me. I get where I dey wait for you. You go soon dey beg me. You know now. May you eat. May you eat. After you go, I go find something to eat. I look for wetin I go eat because I dey my house. And you see you. The time when you go come dey beg me, dey tell me say abeg na, you go see.